Ever wish your viewers could explore a map inside your presentation instead of just looking at it? In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to build an interactive map in Google Slides, something clickable, clean, and perfect for teaching, pitching, or sharing ideas. Start by opening Google Slides in your browser. If you're not signed into your Google account yet, go ahead and log in so everything automatically saves to your drive. On the home page, you'll see template options, but for full control, choose a blank presentation to build from scratch. With your slide open, it's time to bring in your map. Go to the top menu and click Insert, then select Image. From the options that appear, choose Search the web so you can grab a map without leaving slides. A panel will pop up on the right. Type in map or a specific region or country. When you see one that fits your presentation, click it and hit Insert. The image will drop onto your slide, and you can resize or position it however you like. Now for the interactive magic. Pick a spot on the map where you want to add details, maybe a city, region, or landmark. From the toolbar, choose the Shape tool and draw a shape over that area. Make the shape transparent so it doesn't cover the map visually. You just want it to be clickable. Once the shape is placed, right-click it and choose Link. You can link to a website, but an even better trick is to link internally to another slide in the same presentation. That slide can hold text, images, stats, or anything you want the audience to see when they click. Repeat this for as many locations as you want. Each shape becomes a hotspot that leads to deeper information. You're literally turning one static image into a mini interactive experience slide by slide. By the time you're done, you'll have a presentation that people can click through, like a digital atlas, and it only took a few simple steps. If you like this walkthrough and want more tutorials that upgrade your slides game, stick around and explore the channel. Thanks for watching, and enjoy creating your own interactive maps.